Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I'm so excited. It's a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo day. A Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. It's a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes day. It's my ultimate magic and it's my birthday box. So join me at the other side of the intro and let's open it together. Hit it, maestro. You know how much I adore this box, and it's my birthday box. Well, it's my May box, and my birthday's May, and it is my ultimate magic box. My glasses did that when I did that, you see. Birthday magic and mayhem has sprung into action already. So yeah, it's my birthday box and I'm so excited to open this. So shall we do it? Shall we do it? Right, so my cutter is here. Right, so let's cut across the sellotape. Right, so then. Can you see? Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, love it, love it. Look, happy birthday to Karen from the Bibbidi Bobbidi team, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes team. Oh, isn't that lovely? That's really, really lovely. And imagine everyone's birthday having to do this. That takes some planning, and that's lovely. And you do that really lovely, girl. So thank you. Oh, that's lovely. Right. Yes, yes. I have got the magic card. This is a magic card and it says a quick note about your box. By selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same when you purchased your box. You let us know you are a quality over quantity type of subscriber. I am indeed. This month's box contains fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. And I love that because while little things have got a place, and I love little things, but there's nothing more I like than a big designer quality kind of item. And in this box you get a designer item anyway, so I think I've got a backpack. You know, when you're pressing it, you know, did you ever do that as a child? Feel your Christmas presents? I've got a backpack. I think I've got a backpack, I really do. I have got a backpack. I know that. Right, so what's it got in here? It's got Bibbidi Bibbidi Bobbidi Society. Heads held high, touch the sky, bringing you magic of Disney. Through storm and rain and dark of night, never fail to do what's right. Tag us in your unboxings, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. And look! Oh, that's really lovely. And they're out the rescuers, aren't they? I can't remember the names. But I used to watch that a lot. Oh, that's lovely. I hadn't seen one of those. I've got my packing notes, so I'll put that there. And then, whoop, I'm knocking everything off my table. And then here is that. And I did the touch test. So I think it's on the top. Well, it would be, wouldn't it? Because otherwise I couldn't touch it. But I'm thrilled. Thrilled to pieces. Yeah, you have no idea. I am absolutely I've got shivers. Girls, I've got shivers. Okay. Do I need to say anything else? Do I need to speak? I've got the Small World backpack, and what's really special is I wanted one of these on our last trip and I bought one for a future giveaway, but I didn't get me one because they're expensive, and now I've got one and I'm thrilled. I mean, look at it. I love it, and the mouth is a zip. Oh, Oh my word. And inside it's all little dots and you've got your pocket. I'm speechless. I've just had to change the battery, sorry. I am absolutely speechless. And inside it's got the lovely gold and white dots. Beautiful gold. What do they call it? Your zippers, your chrome. And look at the back, the gold strap. Yeah. And I've seen something else in the box and I can't believe I've got both. Yeah. And this one is a Disney Parks exclusive. Thank you, girls. I know it's not my birthday anymore, but that's really, really touched me. Yeah. What do you say? What do you say? Okay. You ready? I actually can't believe this. I can't believe this. Did you see? I'm shaking all the bits on the floor. You ready? I have got the Tiki Room Spirit jersey. I am absolutely thrilled with this. This is one of the ones, I've got this and the Small World one on my I really, really would love list. And so to get it, and look at the writing on the back. Oh, and you know how much I love my Spirit jerseys. I'm always in them, aren't I? Oh, I love this. I can't believe it. And look at the print on the bottom. Look. Yeah, I'm really, really touched. And I would imagine that is it because they're the two values, but we'll check because we know what I'm like. Yeah, and that's it, the two items. And I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. So on the packing note, I'm thrilled. Oh my word. Okay, so this Ultimate Magic Box, I paid $119 for them. And the Spirit jersey, the Tiki Room Spirit jersey was $64.99. And the Small World backpack was $80, giving me a total retail value of $144.99. And I paid $119. So that means I have got, my brain's doing the maths really quickly, $26 more than I paid. And I've got two things I'm absolutely thrilled beyond words. Thank you, girls. Thanks, Becky, Amanda and Brenda. Thank you. It's amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I've gone a bit quiet. Can you tell? I'm thrilled to pieces. I am thrilled to pieces. And for me, that's what this box is about. You can have lots of items if you want, but to put on there that you really like quality over quantity, and I do. So to me, I'm not disappointed there's only two in there. I'm thrilled to pieces because it's two things I really, really, really wanted. They're not just things that I'd be happy with. They're things I really, really wanted, and I'm thrilled. So thank you. Mwah! It was my birthday box. You don't mind getting a year older when you get a birthday present like that, do you? So thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, there's a link coming at the end. When you click subscribe, it doesn't mean you've got to pay anything. It just means I become one of your favourites in your news feed. And if you click the little bell icon, they'll let you know, they'll send you a message when I've uploaded a new video. So you can see if you want to watch it or not and you make that decision. I find there's nothing worse than when somebody uploads something and I don't know about it and I'd like to watch it. So I always click the bell because that way then you can make the choice, can't you? And I like to be in the loop. But thanks so much for watching. I'm absolutely thrilled. Can't wait to show you next month's box. It's not even been curated yet, but I'm thrilled. So thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks, girls. Be good, be kind. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.